This video, you will learn the concept about the position of a point P. Okay, let's say the point P is related to the circle, is inside circle, on the circle, or outside circle. First of all, we have two lengths. The first one you must know is the first items must be the radius. Is R. Okay, we compare these two distance. The second one is the GP. Okay, is GP is the distance from the point P to G. So we say that is D. So we have three different cases. For the case 1, if the distance D is greater than R, that means P is outside circle. Okay, it's very obvious. On case 2, let's say that another P is right in red color. For example, if P is here and the straight line, the distance between GP will become here. So that means if the distance D is equal to the radius, okay, then another D, that means P is on the circle. And the third case, I write is yellow. Case 3, for example, I write down P is here, and then the distance will from G to P will become, for PG is here, so it should be less than R, right? So if D is less than R, that means P is inside circle. So in every time when the question asking you the position of the point related to circle, then you need to find the first items is radius, and second items is the distance from the given point to the center, and then you just compare the three cases, whether it is case 1, 2, or 3. And we have another method too. In it is, first of all, we just take a revision about how can I get a standard form to a general form. Okay, so from standard form, it is easy to let you know this item is a point. If I put point, let's say P is x1 and y1. If I put point P x1 and y1 into it, H is the center, right? Plus y1 minus k squared. And these items we will call is PG, right? This is distance point formula. And the right hand side R is radius. How can I get the general form is, after I expand the bracket and change it back, it should be x1 minus h squared plus y1 minus k squared and minus r squared. These items we will call is the difference. Okay, it's the difference, difference between PG and R, right? So that means after I will expand the bracket, we will x1, it becomes x1 squared plus y1 squared, and then plus d x1 plus f e y1, and then finally this plus f. So this is it's the same, right? So if this result which is greater than 0, that means P is outside circle. Okay, if this is less than 0, is equal to 0, is P on circle. And if less than 0, then P is inside circle. So there is method 2 to show whether the point is inside or outside or on the circle. That's the end of the concept of the points related to the circle.